Hi everyone, today I'm putting this DIY heart frame through its paces. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. Before making this video, I thought it would be a good idea for me to know how this frame went together, and I've put some of the pieces together. I've put two pieces together and I can't get them apart. So if you had any worry that once you'd assemble this frame it was going to fall apart, this would suggest otherwise, because I just can't get it apart. Okay, so that's two of the pieces of the kit. I'll show you the rest of the kit. Okay, so here's what we have in the kit. We have a base, we have 3 pieces of tubing, that's for the upright part of the stand, the pillar. I'm going to put these bits to one side. So these are the 2 bits that I put together, and I really hope I put them together correctly. We've got a sort of a Y-shaped piece here. That's going to be the bit that fastens on to the main stand. We've got a little sort of V shape here. That's going to be the tip of the heart, the point of the heart. We've got 2 just very slightly curved bits here, which I think probably go onto this bit here. And then we've got another bit like this. In fact, we've got 4 pieces like this. So I've attached mine there already. So I think that goes like that. And like that. And like that. And there. And these bits here and down here. So that's how I think this goes together. So let's see whether that works. I'm going to start at the point of the heart. Okay, that looks right. I'm going to add these 2 bits. Add that bit. And this bit. Some of these are quite tricky to get together. And then this bit. And this bit, it's looking promising. Oh, I spoke too soon. This bit's quite tricky to connect. And then this bit. Okay. So that's the heart part of the display. And then we can connect the tubes together for the centre, and they go in the top like that. And then the heart just fits in there like that. If you look at the base, you'll see that there's a little circle here, and that's the stopper. So you can just take the stopper out and then fill the base with water to give it the weight you need for your design to be balanced. So take a funnel and some water. It's tricky to tell when you've put enough water in. Okay, that feels as though it's got a fair amount of weight in it, so I'm going to call it there. With this particular kit, you get 3 sections of pole, which you just need to connect together. Okay? If you want to, you can tape these connections, and then you insert this into the base. If you find that your pole, when you put it in, feels a little bit wobbly, here's what you can do. I've got a single layer of latex here from a balloon, so I'm just going to put that over the hole and push this in and push down. And that's really going to help firm up this pole. I've got organically sized duplets here. So these are sized between about 6.5 and 7.5 inches. And I'm just going to put one on this side and the other duplet on this side. Push them down. And we're going to continue to build up the display, just wrapping one on one side and one on the other. Okay. So we can now attach the heart, and if you want to, you can actually transport this in sections, so you can build up the heart and then put it on the top if you want to. Here I'm using a cluster of 3, just as I'm going around the curve. Back to clusters of 2. To finish off at the top, I'm using a cluster of 3. This DIY heart display stand has actually exceeded my expectations somewhat. I didn't expect it to stand up quite so well as it has done. It is a little bit wobbly, but for DIY use, for home use, it's absolutely fine. You will have a lot of fun making a display. You're never going to get a really well-defined heart with a stand like this because the curves on it are just too small. You need more exaggerated curves on the heart part of the display to get a well-defined heart when you're using balloons on a stand like this. So remember to subscribe to the channel, pop that like button, and let me know what you think of this tutorial in the comments below. So please do leave me a comment, and I'll see you again in the next video.